The next topic is about speakers. Number speakers should be used only for when you do not know the name of the speaker. For example, the first time you identify a speaker, they should be labeled as speaker 1, like this. Here we identified a speaker at the first time, so we labeled him as speaker 1. If later we found that the speaker 1 was Mary, then it should be changed to speaker Mary. We can edit the speaker name in here, click on edit speaker, then we have to change it to Mary. So we have speaker Mary and speaker 2, but the guideline says that the numbers should be always in order. So at first we identify the speaker as speaker 1, later we found their name as Mary, so we gave their name to, we changed the name speaker 1 to speaker Mary. But the rule says that number should be always in order, so we are altering the speaker 2 into speaker 1. So the number is all in order, and also we added the speaker name. Another rule about the speakers is that speaker name is that only use the speaker name option if the name of the speaker becomes known at some point in the audio, like we said about Mary. Use first and last names if available. If we know their name, first name and last name, then we should use the last name also. For example, Mary Jane. And the first letters of the first name and last name should be in capital, like this. We add M and J in capitals. Another group of speaker is that unidentifiable speaker. A speaker that cannot be identified is mentioned as unidentified speaker. For example, from this to this, a group of people is talking. We cannot identify them as a single speaker. Maybe it is a group of people saying something, or a chorus, or a crowd, maybe a fans. So we cannot identify a particular single sound. So it should be considered as unidentifiable speaker. So we have to add unidentifiable speaker here. Now this part, a group of people is talking, so we don't understand a single voice from here, so we mark it as unidentifiable speaker. Another category of speaker is that pre-recorded speaker. It can be a recording within a recording. A device is talking or a background singing. Maybe just think like this. This is the pre-record turn. For pre-recorded turns, do not name the speakers. Pre-recorded terms always should be in number. In case of unidentifiable speaker, they haven't needed to number. But pre-recorded speakers needed to number, like this. Pre-recorded speaker 1. It may be the advertisement with the background singing, or elevators recording floor announcement, or anything. General rules in speaker turns are: never capitalize or hyphenate the words speaker, pre-recorded or unidentifiable. As you can see that we haven't capitalized any of these words. See, speaker is all small letter. Pre-recorded speaker is mentioned in all in small letters. Unidentifiable speaker is also in small letter. Always capitalize the speaker's names. Example is Mary Jane. We capitalize their name. If a 21st speaker is introduced, please do not transcribe their speech and stop working on the task. Just remember, think that if it was the 20th speaker and now we got 21st speaker from here, that means we can stop work from here. And once the 21st speaker is introduced, the task should be considered done and marked as completed. The number of actually transcribed minutes should be reported.